Hey, what's up everyone? I finally made it to CES 2026, and there is so much insane tech here that I can't wait to show you. We've got a lot to cover, so grab a drink, sit back, relax, and let's check it out. In my 9 years of coming to CES, I've never seen a real laundry folding robot before, until now. This company called Dina actually has robots that fold shirts and towels, and they were moving way faster than any of the other laundry or humanoid-style robots on the show floor. Meanwhile, LG's robot could move a shirt into the washer, but didn't even try to fold it while I was there. It can slide the laundry basket though, because apparently robot vacuums still refuse to go around obstacles. Why, LG? Why? SwitchBot had one that could pick up laundry and put it in the washer, but it was painfully slow. So yeah, the Dina robots definitely stood out. The downside is they're B2B only, and they come with a monthly fee. Basically, it's a robot employee. We're getting closer, but we're not quite there yet. Then I saw a leaf blower at CES. Yes, really. But you have to hear how quiet it is. It uses aerospace technology to reduce noise, and the difference compared to a normal leaf blower is wild. Same thrust, way less noise. It's called Whisper Arrow. It costs about $600. Pre-orders are open now, and it ships in September. Just don't get near the air intake. It will absolutely try to eat you. I've seen wireless power demos at CES before, but lock-in might be my favorite version yet. They're updating their Vano Pro Smart Lock so it can be charged wirelessly across the room. The lock reads the veins in your palm to unlock, and now it stays charged using an infrared beam from a little plug-in device on the wall. It works up to about 4 meters away, keeps the battery topped up, and basically means the lock will never die. It works with Matter, so it'll integrate with almost any smart home system, and it should cost around $350, including the charger. I want this. This tiny wheel doesn't look like much, but it could seriously change someone's life. It connects to an existing wheelchair, lifts the front wheels, and turns it into a powered wheelchair that goes about 6 miles per hour with around 15 miles of range. It's simple, but very cool. For a little less money, you can get something called Strut, and this thing is intense. It uses LiDAR to avoid people. It can tell the difference between feet and thresholds, and it won't smash your friend's toes even if you try. We saw it last year, but now it's way smarter and finally available to buy. Next, this one might either excite you or depress you. There were a lot of AI companion-type devices at CES this year. Razer had one. There were holographic versions. It's a trend. Luckily, I'm married, so I'm safe, but someone out there is very into this. I've never seen a bladeless ceiling fan before, but Hunter had one called the Zentac. The whole thing spins instead of blades, and it looks super modern. It works with Matter, and they also showed a new smart wall panel that replaces your light switch and controls your smart home. It looks great. But it's $300. If your partner isn't thrilled about replacing every switch in your house for $300 each, here's a $30 option that works in smart bulb mode. It always keeps power to the bulbs and lets you control color and brightness from the switch. It uses Matter over Wi-Fi, so it works with basically everything. They also had this cool smart mirror with built-in buttons, anti-fog, adjustable lighting for makeup, and it should be under $200 when it launches. Lutron showed new blinds that automatically tilt based on the sun position. And my favorite thing from them was actually this super simple humidity sensor fan switch. No AI, no internet. It just turns the bathroom fan on when it gets humid. Which means I no longer have to remind my kids to turn it on. That alone is worth it. For personal entertainment, I tried the Exio Big headset. Funny name because it's actually much smaller and lighter than Apple's Vision Pro. It has 4K per eye. Felt comfortable enough to wear for a long time, and watching Top Gun Maverick in their 24-speaker pod honestly felt like a real theater. TV tech was everywhere, but what impressed me most were the RGB mini LED TVs, where each individual LED can control red, green, and blue separately. That means insane contrast, better color accuracy, and way more dimming zones. This tech is definitely coming to more TVs soon. On the opposite end, this tiny folding projector from Arson is super fun and simple. They added accessories for using it in your car, and I can absolutely see myself using this on road trips with the kids. Today's sponsor was Roborock, and they showed off something wild, a robot vacuum that can go up and down stairs. It's called the Saros Rover, and while it's still in development, it's real. It climbs thresholds, ramps, and handles mixed flooring with no problem. They also showed their new roller mop vacuum for wet messes, a steam cleaning handheld mop, a foam spraying version for deep cleaning, and a new robot lawnmower with LiDAR. Roborock is absolutely dominating the cleaning robot space right now. There were robots everywhere, chess-playing robots, open-source dancing robots, outdoor fetch-playing robots for kids. My kids want a pet. But honestly, robots are starting to look easier. Broadlink announced a Matter Superbridge, so IR and RF devices like AC units, fans, and curtains can easily integrate into your smart home. That's huge. I also love this rechargeable battery station where you just dump your A and AA batteries in the top. It tests and charges them, and you slide them out of the bottom when you need one. Simple but brilliant. Acura showed a new smart lock that unlocks automatically using ultra-wideband as you walk up for both iPhone and Android users. Peace has finally been achieved. Their new thermostat has a matte finish so it doesn't show fingerprints. And Eve also had a great matter-over-thread thermostat with a guest mode that pauses automation when people visit. I tried haptic tech that can simulate hot and cold on a touchscreen, which is way more realistic than I expected. I also tried AR glasses with built-in SLAM that can map your environment locally, perfect for future smart home overlays. TP-Link showed solar cameras that can do near-continuous recording without a subscription. And Realink showed an AI box that runs locally, so you can create natural language alerts like only notify me when a kid with a backpack comes home. And finally, my favorite thing of the whole show, Xreal launched smart glasses that actually felt natural to wear. The text is clear, the frame is light, and I could easily see both the display and the real world at the same time. They're about $600, come in multiple styles, and honestly feel like the first smart glasses that normal people might actually want to wear. I had an absolute blast at CES this year. The tech keeps getting crazier, smarter, and honestly more useful every year. Oh, the Zigbee robot. Hey, watch it, buddy. We drive on the right side here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.